Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add images to your events created on the Pockit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this first icon that you can see in the middle of the screen, and you will be directed to your events. Then click on the relevant one, and if you want to add an image, tap on the plus icon that you can find in the right side corner down below. Click on the add image button. Then you should either take a picture with your phone or select one from your gallery. If you tap on the take photo button, you should allow the application to have access to your camera, so tap on it. Take a picture and then click on use photo if you are satisfied with the result. You can add a description to it if you want to, and you can also select the visibility and availability of your picture, such as everyone, selected people, or only you can see it. So after selecting the relevant one, click on the save button up in the upper right corner of the screen. After that you should see that it has been uploaded to your selected event. As you can see, it's being processed. Here you can check it out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.